Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of creating a booking application in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Today we're going to focus on the redirecting to the login page once the user has entered all their details correctly. So let's just add another HTML file called dashboard. This is not going to have anything right now. And just from the last video, I've added some IDs to the elements so that we are able to capture the information correctly. So just like over here, I've added the IDs to the button and inputs. I've also changed the styling. I've added a hover option for the register button just so that when a user is clicking on something, it shows that they are like moving towards the button. So yeah, I've added this hover and the password inputs. I just copied the same styling for the text and put it for password. And for the password types, I've changed them to passwords so that it's hidden and users can't see what is being typed. So just add that and let me show you what it looks like now. So this is the page, and now with the hover you see it changes colors when the user clicks it. Okay, so now to add the functionality, the JavaScript for the project. We're first going to create a script tag to be able to write all our JavaScripts. Then we're going to create constant variables for all of the text boxes. So we're going to create a username input. And this is just going to get the ID of the username. I'm going to create one for password. And one for the button. Okay, and now we are going to create a listener for this register button. Now that we've gotten its ID, we just say add event listener when it is clicked. Okay, now that we've added the event listener, now const username. And we are going to check to see if we're first going to check to see if the user has entered all the information, like no fields are left empty. They have to fill in all their fields. So we need to check to see if they've entered all these fields first. If not, alert them that to please enter all fields. Next, we are going to check to see if the password is equal to the confirm password. Else, if they are not correct, alert the user that the passwords do not match. And finally, if all information has been entered correctly, then we're going to save it to our local storage, and we're going to save the username. And the password. Now we also want, once all this information has been entered, to redirect to the login. Now let's see if this works and if we get any problems. So let's first check out the first. Okay, it's asking us to please enter all fields. Let's enter random passwords to see if it enters the second. Yes, passwords do not match. And now let's make the passwords the same. And we have logged in successfully, and it has redirected us to the login page. Now we want, once we've successfully logged into the system, that we are redirected to this dashboard page. Okay, so let's get into that. Let's start with the functionality for the login page. Just want to make sure everything's fine. So we are going to create a script for our JavaScript, and we are going to make constants to get whatever the user typed in. Username input is equal. And then we're going to get the saved username and password. And now we are going to check to see, first is the username and password have been filled in. Else they need to fill in all the information. Fill in all fields. Next, we need to check to see if the username is equal to the saved username and the password is equal to the saved password. Else information invalid. Please register. Yeah. And if all this is correct, then we are going to redirect to the dashboard. Okay, let's see how this goes. We need to fill in all fields. That's fine. Let me type in something random. Information is invalid. Please register. Let's type in the correct information. And we are redirected to the dashboard. Thank you for watching. That is all that I have for today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. And in the next video, I will be creating the UI for the dashboard just for a simple booking application, and we'll add some functionality to that. And I'll see you in that video. Bye for now.